How to disable post sharing to stories on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on sharing and reuse. After you've clicked on sharing and reuse, in here at the top you'll find allow people to share your content. Below it, post and reels to stories. And make sure it's turned off. Make sure the white circle is on the left side. And this is how to disable post sharing to stories on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.